If your diesel truck feels like it is struggling to breathe or taking forever to complete a filter cleaning cycle, then you might be facing the P0488 trouble code. This specific diagnostic signal is common in diesel engines built after 2004, and it points to a range or performance problem with the exhaust gas recirculation throttle position control. This valve is a critical component located between your intake manifold and the air filter, acting much like a traditional throttle body but with a different purpose. Its main job is to create a small amount of vacuum that helps pull exhaust gases back into the intake manifold to lower emissions. The powertrain control module is constantly monitoring the voltage signals from this valve to make sure it is exactly where it needs to be based on how you are driving. When the signals do not match the expected values, the computer triggers the check engine light, and you will likely notice that your active aftertreatment regeneration times are much longer than normal. This means it takes way more time for your exhaust system to get hot enough to burn off the soot trapped inside the diesel particulate filter, which can eventually lead to a clogged system. The most common reasons for this code are an open or shorted circuit in the wiring between the valve and the computer, or a valve that has failed internally due to soot buildup, or a short. To resolve this, start by checking for any technical service bulletins, because many manufacturers have released updates for this specific issue. Next, find the valve under your hood and look for any signs of melted plastic or frayed wires, and pull the connectors apart to check for green corrosion on the metal pins. If they look dirty, use an electrical contact cleaner and a soft brush to clean them up before applying a bit of dielectric silicone grease. If the light stays on, you will need to use a digital volt-ohm meter to verify that the valve is receiving a clean 5-volt signal. If you find 12 volts where there should be 5, or if there is no power at all, you have a wiring fault or a bad computer. If the electrical tests pass but the valve still does not move correctly, the unit itself is likely toast and needs to be swapped out. You should see a professional if you suspect the powertrain control module is failing or if the diesel particulate filter is starting to clog, because ignoring this can lead to a very expensive exhaust system replacement that could cost thousands of dollars.